What's up, people? Today is the 21st of May and welcome to my trading video. Market's gonna open up in a couple here. It's 9:29, so be back with the market open, which looks like we're gapping down about 1% on the spiders. So be back with that and hopefully get some good trades in today. Alright, here we go. Market's opened up and got that gap down, and I'll be back with some trades, guys. Alright, just went long on this BKS. I'm in there at 25.73. Not so great on the fill. So let's see what happens here. Could pretty much go either way. And we're getting out of there, taking a loss. So lost about 200. Actually wanted to get in at 60, so the loss would have been a little bit less, but actually enter back into this if it gets down to 25. So anyway, be back with something else. I went short on this first solar, and so far it looks good. Actually bid into it and got a good fill. Don't know how that happened. So I'm in at 197.37 and expecting to hold on to this for a little while until it goes to lows. It is kind of oversold right now, but expecting it to hit the lows again. So I'll be back to update this. As you can see, tan was selling off a little here, so we should get in the money on FSLR. Alright, I got a limit order in at 195.26. Just got a hit on all that. So I made a little over $1,000 in profit, so that was a good play. Good to hold on to that. I'm up 934 now, and I'll be back with something else, guys. I did get a little scary up here, but it hit this this resistance and then just sold off from there. So went my way. I'm expecting this thing to go even lower, probably to this next support area at 194.28, which looks like it's maybe doing here. May even sell all the way down to that 200-day moving average. So that's pretty much how I was playing this thing. And be back with something else. Alright, going short on this TTC. Entry prices and all that great. I want to go short in the 30s. Gonna put we're gonna put a limit order in at 32.67. It's a short another 1,000, but this thing's overbought. It's up $4, about 15%. So looking for this thing to sell off. I don't even think I'm gonna get hit on that limit order at all, but if I do, should be pretty good. Up pretty good on this trade right now. Looking forward to break through 32 and gonna reap the profits, but I'm gonna keep that limit order in to short 1,000 at 32.67 and be back to update this one. Also looking here at the daily. Huge green candle here. I don't know, it's probably news driven to get this thing moving like that. But like I said, also started to wick out last two candles, so it's some indication that it's starting to sell off. The bears are gonna take control here. Plus it's in overbought conditions. I think I mentioned that as well. So be back to update here. Alright, it's just broken through into 31, broken the $32 mark, so looking for it to sell off here to 31.75, and gonna buy back my 1,000 shares for a good profit. Looks like it's gonna do it. I'm gonna put it on pause for a second there. Our market's kind of going to lows right now, so I might add to the momentum, the selling pressure on this. Just looking for 31.75 and gonna hit that buyback button. It's pretty close here. Gonna see how the traders react. Looking at the time and sales, like an eagle right now. Got a couple of covers here maybe. Market's still kind of selling off. It's the mixed candle. Alright, 75. Let's see what the traders do here. I don't want to see it go above that 75 again on the ask. I'm buying back. I'm not going to take it here, and I'm out of that. So it was a good trade. I'm up 13.65. Made $431 on that short, so that was a good one there. And FSLR, a great trade. Let's see if it kept selling off. No, it didn't, but got down to the 194 area, so could have made a bit more on that trade. And be back with something else here.